Hi everyone, this is Joe from Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews. I'm back! So, today we're doing the banana mayo sandwich from Jack in the Box. Comes with banana mayo sandwich. Well, let's check this out. So what do you think about that, muchachos? So, I
asked for the the hamburger, the barbecue hamburger thing, and they give me a chicken. So
that's fine. I'll eat the. So we're gonna give this a shot today. So it comes with obviously banana, bacon, and this is the take on the Carl's Jr. Western Bacon Cheeseburger, which I love. Let me get my napkin. I got a napkin. It's cheese. It's so cheesy. And you know what? That chicken is not dry. It's moist. I love that chicken. It's so moist. I like the bread, the breading they put on that, on the chicken. It's almost like a heart attack on a hook.
because I'm a sweet guy.
Why you eat pussy like that?